I'm a very firm believer of those that waste time in life never make it. They never do. And today I'm here to help you so that you do not waste time on your YouTube journey. You shouldn't be struggling with 1,000 subscribers in 2025. Why are you struggling with 1,000 subscribers? That is really unheard of, because if you're online here and you're not making money in 2025, then you're really wasting your time. Just go get a 9 to 5 or just start a business or something. Because if you want to make money here on YouTube, you need to be dedicated. You need to be serious. You need to do your findings, and you need to take steps to help you get there faster. Okay, so today I'm going to let you know about my promotion services. I will help you promote your channel and get you to 1,000 subscribers in 24 hours. And this is no joke, this is no fluff, this is no scam. I have done this for over 50 channels and they are all thriving. Yes, they are. It is that easy. All you have to do is send an email to stephaniemikeworks@gmail.com and tell me that you're ready to promote your channel for your 1,000 subscribers, and you will get your 1,000 subscribers in 24 hours after making your promotion payment. Now, this is a warning for people that have been coming into my emails and begging me, please do free promotion for me. It's not free. It's not free. I'm not using my teeth to promote. It's not free. It's a paid service. So only serious-minded people that are ready to promote their channel and get their 1,000 subscribers in 24 hours should send an email to stephaniemikeworks@gmail.com. Do not send me an email if you're not serious. It's not a free service. And if you send an email when you're not serious, I will block your email address. I will. This is only for serious-minded people. There is really no need for you to be struggling with 1,000 subscribers in 2025. Honestly, it's that easy. It's a safe promotion. It is a verified promotion. It really works, and it's 24 hours. Okay. Now, also, if you probably already have 1,000 subscribers and maybe you're not yet monetized, you're not making money, or you don't know how to make content that will get you money, because being monetized is one thing, then creating content that will actually help you make money is another thing, because you can have a monetized channel and not be making money from it. That's a whole different ballgame. For that, I will recommend my one-on-one coaching service to you, whereby I help you create a content strategy. I help you optimize your channel. I help you create content for the period of time you are subscribed to the one-on-one coaching, because there are different packages. We have a month, we have a week, we have a day. Okay, depending on the service you go for. But 1 month is recommended so that your channel can be fully optimized by me and, managed by me for you to, be able to start making serious money here on YouTube. Guys, I'm not new to the game. I've been doing YouTube for 6 years plus, and trust me, I've learned a lot. I've made a lot of mistakes and I've learned from them. I've doubled down on YouTube and I'm making my money from YouTube. This is a full-time job for me. This is not a side quest or, this is a full-time job, and I promise you it pays well. So if you want to take YouTube serious, you want to make money from the comfort of your home, you want to be financially free, then hit me up. Send an email to stephaniemikeworks@gmail.com and let me know the services you'll be going for. Okay, this is only for serious-minded people. Only serious and dedicated people can make it here on YouTube, and that's the truth. Not everybody is going to make it on YouTube. YouTube is not for everybody. You need to decide and say, I am going to do this, and then be intentional about it, and also be ready and willing to do whatever it takes to get to the end goal. Okay, so please do not be among the people that wasted time in life and never made it. Take that step today. Hit me up for promotion services to get you to 1,000 subscribers in 24 hours, or hit me up for one-on-one coaching, and I will get to you and handle your channel for you. Okay, thank you for watching today's video. If you haven't posted today, please go and make a video and post today. I encourage you to go and post. Try and post, put out content so that YouTube knows that this person is still active on YouTube. Okay, and also help you push your content to the right viewers. Don't forget to check videos I'm going to link in the cards that will help you in your YouTube journey, and also share this video to a friend, a YouTuber, a new YouTuber, aspiring YouTuber, to help somebody's life today so that they don't waste time in life. Let them do promotion and start making money. That's all I'm going to say about this. Okay, like, comment, share, subscribe, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye guys.